Hello, everyone. Welcome to Beginner English. My name is Sarah, and I'm one of the teachers at the Inspire Academy. For this lesson, we'll learn about the verbs to be and to have. These are both very common verbs in the English language. So let's get started. So the verb to be means to exist. It means to occur. To be means to occur. To be means to exist. And here's an example. My name is Marie. I am Marie. Am is the verb to be. I am doing my homework. I am going to be late. Those are different uses of the verb to be. Here are some more examples of sentences of how to use the verb to be. I am Mary. I am a girl. I am 20. You are Jan. You are a boy. You are 5. He is Pat. He is a man. He is 25. They are a family. They are French. We are learning English. We are in the same classroom. We are late. So let's move on to the verb to have. To have means to possess or to own or to hold. Here are some examples of to have sentences. I have a car. I do not have a horse. You have a dog. You do not have a llama. She or he has a job. He does not have school. They have a house. They do not have a boat. We have work. We have fun. We do have a plan. Read your read and answer the questions. My sister blank a new car. My sister has a new car or my sister have a new car. They blank fun on the weekend. They have fun on the weekend or they has fun on the weekend. We blank a garden. We has a garden or we have a garden. Now let's check the answers. My sister has a new car. Why? Because it's only talking about one person, my sister. They have fun on the weekends. Why do we use have? Because they is more than one person. They can be two or more people. We have a garden. Why is it have? Because we are two or more people. If it was only one person, you would use has. Let's do some more questions. I blank Marie. I blank happy. Is it I am Marie? I am happy? Is it I is Marie? I is happy? Or is it I are Marie? I are happy? My sister blank a nurse. My sister is a nurse. My sister am a nurse. Or my sister are a nurse. Games blank fun to play. Games are fun to play. Games is fun to play. Or games am fun to play. Now let's check the answers. I am Marie. I am happy. My sister is a nurse. Games are fun to play. Remember, the subject and the verb of a sentence must agree. Singular subjects need singular verbs. That means if there's only one person or thing as a subject, then the verb changes based on that. If you use a plural subject, need to use a plural verb. So one star is in the sky. Many stars are in the sky. I have one star. She has two stars. They have one star. Today we learned about irregular verbs to be and to have. You know what the verbs to be and to have mean. You can use the verbs to be and to have in a sentence. To be and to have are irregular verbs. They change with the subject and the number of subjects. Always match the verbs to be and to have with the subject. Practice making sentences that have one single subject, like I, she, he, it, the cat, the car, one thing, or one person. And also practice sentences that have plural subjects. They, we, the cats, the cars, many things, or many people. That's all for today. Have a great day and looking forward to the next lesson with the rest of the class. Thank you. Bye bye.